In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link SumUp to a bank account. To get started, open the SumUp app on your phone. Once the app is open, log in with your SumUp account details. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business profile, because your payout settings are tied directly to the account you're using. After you're logged in, head over to your account settings. You can usually do this by tapping your profile icon or your account name inside the app. From there, select Settings, then look for the option labeled Bank Account or Payout Settings. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your region or app version, but it should lead you to the section where your payout information is managed. Next, you'll add your bank account. Tap Add Bank Account. Or if there's already one connected and you want to replace it, choose Change Bank Account. You'll then be asked to enter your bank details. This typically includes the account holder name, the bank name, the account number, and either a routing number or an IBAN, depending on your country. As you fill this out, take your time and double check everything. Even a small typo can delay your payouts or cause the connection to fail, so accuracy really matters here. Once your details are entered, review them carefully to confirm they're correct. If everything looks good, move on to the verification stage. SumUp may ask you to follow some verification instructions to confirm that the bank account belongs to you or your business. In some cases, you might also need to upload documents. If that happens, just follow the prompts in the app and make sure the information matches what you entered earlier. After that, you'll need to wait for SumUp to approve the bank account connection. Approval times can vary, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. When the connection is approved, your bank account should appear under your payout settings. That's your confirmation that the setup is complete. From that point on, SumUp will automatically send your payment earnings to the linked bank account based on your payout schedule. As a final check, it's a good idea to test your setup. Accept a small payment using SumUp, then monitor your bank account to make sure the payout is transferred successfully. This gives you peace of mind that everything is working properly before you start processing larger amounts. And that's how to link SumUp to a bank account.